Now we will see the Venn diagram, how to draw the Venn diagram. Okay, we have the different types of statement. Just for example, first one, that is all x are y. First one, all x are y's. Okay, that means the meaning of this statement is all x is belonging to y. That means x is a subset of y. That means all the element of x is belonging to y. So to draw this, we have first to draw the rectangle that will represent a universal set, that is represented by u. Okay, and then we have a bigger set, that is y, and x is all x is belonging to inside the x, so this is a x. So this is all x are y. That means all the element of x is belonging to this. So this is all x are y's. Okay, so if the question is starting with all, or from the question if you get the hint, that means all the elements of a first part is belonging to the second part, then you can say that that is example of all x are y's, and you can draw this type of Venn diagram. And here that you have to define u, x and y. What is x, what is u, and what is y. Okay, for example, first one, it is given as all professors are educated. All educated. Okay, so now all professors are educated, so we had a group of, first is set of all human being. Okay, and set of all professor and the set of educated person. So you will define a u set, that is set of all human being, then you will define a set, or you can say that a, that is the set of all educated people. Then you will define b, the set of professors. Okay, and in this question we have given already all professors are educated. That means if the person is a professor, then they must be educated. So we will represent first u by Venn diagram. It is set of all human being. Okay, then we have to set of all educated person. So bigger circle, that is your a. Okay, now inside the a we had a group of educated group of professor, so this is your set b. Then you will color this part, and here we can represent b the subset of a. That means all professors are educated. Okay, now second one we have some x are y's. That means some part of x is belonging to y. Okay, so some x are y, that means some elements of x is belonging to y. That is represented by that, you can represent it by the intersection. Okay, so for this you first define a universal set, that is u, set of all groups. Then you will define the set of x, and then the group of y. So these are the parts which is common, that is some x are y's. So this is x and this is the set y. Okay, so this is the part which is some x are y's. Okay, we will see the example. We have the example for some x are y's. That is some even numbers are multiple of 7. Some even number are multiple of 7. Okay, let me see. There are some even numbers which are also the multiple of 7. Okay, so we will define the universal set, that is u. Then you can define x and y. So u is a set of all numbers. Okay, you will define the set of all the set of all number. X will represent the set of even number, y the set of multiple of 7. Okay, now I will draw the diagram. So rectangle will represent a set of all number, that is u. Then you will represent x, which is the set of even number, and the sum are multiple of this one. For example, 14, 28. These are 14, 28, 56, 42. These are the even numbers, and these are also the multiple of 7. So this is x, not this is, yeah, this is x and this is y. So these are the multiple 7. Okay, so you can represent some even numbers are multiple of 7. Okay, so these are the multiple of 7. Now third one, that is no x are y's. That means x and y are two separate things, so nothing is common between x and y. Okay, so we will take the example of a for example, we will see the Venn diagram for this. We have set of universal set, whatever the universal set is given, and there is a group of x and there is a group of y. Nothing is common, so that is said to be a disjoint set. Both are different. Okay, we can say that x intersection y is empty set. Okay, we will take the example, that is no novel person is an Air Force person. That is, novel person is, no novel person is an Air Force person. Naval person, sorry. No naval person. That means the naval person is not a part of a Air Force. Okay, because to fields are separate field. Okay, the first we will define the universal set of all human being. Then X will represent the set of naval person, and Y will represent the set of air force person. Okay, so nothing is common. So first we will define the universal set, that is set U, set of all human being. Then we have X, and then this is Y. This is X and this is Y. So these are the two different. So this is the Venn diagram, that is no X or Y's.